hold and open it.
Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're all well and having a great day. We've just come back from a quick shop in Poundland and we found this, haven't we, Oakley? Let's show everyone. This is what we found in Poundland. What is that, Oakley?
Panther.
Yeah, it's a Black Panther superhero inflatable.
Black Panther teddy bear.
Black Panther teddy bear.
So open it.
Yes.
And blow bigger.
Yeah. So we've come in to get one of these, haven't we, Oakley?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, what's that? What's another one?
It's a water gun.
What one? You have that one in the recipe now. Now that one like this person. I want mystery and it's going to hold and open it.
Okay, so we've just got back from Poundland and we've managed to get one of these inflatable Black Panther, Marvel Black Panther teddies. It actually inflates up to 76 centimeters, so we're going to unbox it now, aren't we, Oakley?
Yeah, but I got to open it.
Yeah, we're going to open it, unbox it, blow it all up and then show you what it looks like. Okay, so stay with us.
He has that Black Panther. See, it's big tricky times, but you got to open it because you go open it like that, okay? Well, no, see of us, okay?
That's it, good boy. Okay, so let's get the blade.
And wait.
Yeah, let me get the scissors.
Wow. Hi, little boy. You make it like that. But mommy gets to get the scissors. Got be careful. Step
Yeah,
back.
that's it. Okay, so you got the scissors.
Let me see. Look it up.
Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna let Oakley actually unbox it because he's starting to do it already. Yeah. And what else have you got in there? Oh, it actually comes with a pump as well. So I thought I'm gonna have to go upstairs and get the pump for the blow-up bed, but it actually comes with a pump as well, which is really good. Yeah. Okay, so we're just gonna open up all the plastic packaging, and then this is the main item here. And on the picture, you can see there's a little boy. There's a little boy just holding it there. So that's what we're going to try to achieve with it. So we're so happy, aren't we, Oakley, that it came with its own pump, because God knows where we put the electric pump for our guest blow-up bed. Yeah, so this is how it looks at the moment. It's quite heavy, actually. I suppose that has to be heavy so it can actually stay on the floor once it's inflated. Okay, so let's see where it has to be inflated. Okay, so there's a little hole at the back, just here, where you put the pump, I would have thought. So let's just take this off completely. I think that has to come off. Yep. Oh, it's a foot pump.
But I can do it.
Okay, don't worry. Who's gonna help you?
Mommy.
Yay. Okay, so I'm just gonna pull it into position so Oakley can actually. It's what it is. It's a foot pump, so you put your foot on it and it blows up. But he's actually connected it himself already, which I think he's done a good job. Yeah, he's done quite a good job actually. Okay, so let's see. Just testing it. Basically, the red button is to reflate it, and then the blue side is to inflate it. We're now just going to find the little hole again, which is just there. Pop that in, close it, stand it up. Now, who's gonna make the pump?
Me.
Okay, go for it. Is it blowing up? Go on. Oh. Go on, it's going.
You okay, Mommy?
Yeah. Okay, so that noise, that squeaky noise is actually the pump. sounds like there's a whistle in there. But it is actually blowing up. So, you want Mummy to have a go now?
Yeah.
Okay.
be the big one.
I have to do this bit off camera because it's proving to be a bit difficult, so I might have to actually go and find my electric pump. But let's see. Let's hope that this pump works because it does actually come with the item.
You can maybe know.
Oh, you know why? The legs have to go in there. Let me see.
Oh.
Do you want me to do it?
No.
Okay, so it's starting to inflate. Okay, let Mummy have a turn now.
Oh, it's so big. Look, it's ready now. Yeah, ready.
No, I don't think it's ready because where's the legs?
The legs? I think it's here.
Where's this bit inflating?
I think it's here, Mommy. Mama, I think it's here.
I know, but one second. Okay, so the instructions wasn't so clear. So what it is, inside the actual black felt, that is black felt, you've got like a kind of blow up material, something like a rubber dinghy with this bit on it. Yeah, so you have to find that bit first and then put the pump into that and blow it up. So we're making progress. No, we're not finished yet to blow it more.
Make it bigger?
Yeah, bigger and stronger. Okay.
No, me. I want for that. It's for foot. It's not a hand pump. It's a foot pump.
It's a foot pump, yeah. Go on then. Go on. No, not yet. Okay, I'm gonna do some. You see his arms are coming?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna stand up. Okay, so it's all blown up and it's nearly the size of Oakley. Put it down next to you, Oakley.
Okay.
That's it. Put it by the chair. Not nearly the size. But look, that's Oakley, and then you got the Black Panther. It's great, isn't it?
Yeah, I love it.
You love it? Oh.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
It's me.
You put it in your room, isn't it?
Yeah, it's me. Whoa, it's so big.
Oh. Okay, so Oakley absolutely loves his new Black Panther inflatable. He's just sitting here now watching some TV with it. What are you watching, Oakley? Oh, Grizzly. It's so sweet, isn't it? Wow.